going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Colin. Everybody else who's cool with Colin.
Chunky! I didn't say.
Get your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin I'm ready.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? I hope you guys are having a great day so far. We've got a sovereign citizen. This clip actually happened about 3 years ago. It's an older clip, still a good one, but this might be the worst sovereign citizen I've ever seen. He only says about 3 things during both of his hearings, and yeah, but it's still a sovereign citizen, so I wanted to share with you guys. All right. Before I hit that play button, you know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe. Do your junk kick backflips. Let's go.
Miss
Your
Fanny?
Honor, I'm back because I am scheduled to be in trial on April the 10th, and my trial starts at 10 o'clock. So when I saw it, I immediately wanted to contact you back. If I can come another day or later on that day, because my trial.
Counsel, problem I have, the reason I ask you is to see if it's okay. And so now I got to travel. So you now have the burden of working with counsel for the other side, sending me something in writing, proposing different dates.
Okay.
Okay?
Or I can send someone on that day. Would that be?
You can
Okay.
do that too as well, ma'am.
Thank you.
That's why I asked you.
All right. This is Judge Robinson. So I was multitasking when I was making that intro, so I didn't say that. Judge Robinson out of the 36th district. Also, giant shout out to Lucy for sending me this clip. I appreciate it. I know who this judge is. I've seen him on other channels, but I have yet to cover him. So this is a new judge to me. So thank you, Lucy, for introducing me to his actual channel. I've been watching him a lot. I'm going to have a lot of clips of him in the next couple of weeks because he's got some good stuff. He's a fun judge to watch. I kept that part in there just so you get a introduction to who this judge is. That's why I asked her. And that was kind of funny. All right, now on to the sovereign citizen.
Now I think I got you the right case, Mr. McCardle.
Thank you, Judge.
Hey, no big deal.
Do you need my appearance?
No, I'm trying to we'll get it in a minute. Trying to get Mr. Campbell connected here.
Okay.
He's still connecting the audio. Hello,
Hello,
what is your name?
my name is Marcus Campbell, trying to check in.
All right, turn on your video. Let's get started. We are on the record with file number 22-186783, JP Morgan Chase Bank versus Marcus Campbell, date and time for pretrial appearances.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Jim McCardle on behalf of JP Morgan Chase. P number is 82443.
And your name, sir?
Name for the record is I'm the authorized representative here on special appearance, the director and the beneficiary of the legal name of Marcus Campbell.
Are you Marcus Campbell or not?
I am.
All right. Where are we on this file, gentlemen?
Yeah, see, he's already messing up. He already introduced himself as Marcus Campbell, and then once the record started, he started the soft-set script, and then he actually answered the judge, yes, I am. Yeah, you need to do a little bit more reading on how to do this. You're not very good at this.
Well, Your Honor, I filed a motion for summary disposition. I've received a notice from the court saying that this was a final settlement conference, but I was hoping that the court was going to take up my motion for summary disposition. I've not received an answer or any kind of a responsive pleading to my motion for summary disposition. There have been numerous filings by the defendant, virtually none of which I understand. So that's, as far as I'm aware, what the status of the case is.
Mr. Campbell, did you receive his motion for summary disposition?
I have sent a brief. I sent
Sir?
a brief to the courts.
Sir, are you listening to me?
Did you hear what I just said?
No.
I just answered. I answered.
I
I
asked
sent
you,
the brief.
I asked you if you received his motion for summary disposition.
Yes, I have.
Okay, so then I'll just calendar it. That's all. Is there anything else outstanding?
Not that I'm aware, Your Honor.
Anything else outstanding, Mr. Campbell?
Yes, I do have something.
What is that?
I did respond to the courts and to the complainant.
Okay,
But before this matter go any further, I would expect 21 days and a provided proof of claim of evidence of the legal and lawful authority of the public to bring this to me.
okay. Sir, you can file whatever motion you want. Right now, I'm going to calendar Mr. McCardle's motion for summary disposition. That if you want, you say you filed an answer to it, we'll be prepared to go forward then. The motion for summary disposition, gentlemen, will be heard April 10 at 11 o'clock.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, gentlemen. We'll send out an order and let's be safe.
Thank you. You have a nice day, Judge.
All right, thank you for coming in. We're off the record.
All right. Jumping ahead 21 days or somewhere about that. This is the next part of it. Again, giant shout out to Lucy who sent me both these clips, the first one and the second one. So thank you. Yeah, again, not a very good cyber citizen. And this is just a short one. We're going to finish this up. Let's go.
Hello?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Marcus Campbell, are you there?
Yes, sir.
All right, turn your video on. We are going to call file number 22-186-783, JP Morgan Chase versus Marcus Campbell, date and time for a motion for summary disposition. Could I have your appearances?
Of course, Your Honor. Jim McCardle appearing on behalf of JP Morgan Chase.
Bar number.
82443.
And your name, sir?
Marcus Campbell and special appearance.
Mr. McCarl,
Yes.
this is your motion.
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, we had issued demand to the defendant on March 15th of 2022. Receiving no answer, we then filed suit against the defendant on May 13th of 2022. Proof of service was finally obtained on September 26th of 2022. The answer was filed on November 14th of 22, and then we subsequently filed our motion for summary disposition on 12/15/2022. A series of responses, as it were filed, the last of which is a response to plaintiff's counter defendant's motion to strike, in which the defendant has a number of things, but the chief among them, in paragraphs 5 and 6, the defendant agrees with our motion, the allegations in our motion, that he's in default, and that there is currently due and owing a balance of $18,610.79. And then he in paragraph 8 in our motion says defendant's answer fails to refute the obligation of the plaintiff. The response is defendant counter plaintiff agrees. However, defendant counter plaintiff's pleadings are not redundant, immaterial, impertinent, scandalous, or indecent in manner. So I'm not sure what that's supposed to mean. The upshot of this is, Judge, there's one other thing. He suggests in his paragraph 1E that my client is practicing law without a license. Well, we're here on behalf of our clients, so my client corporation is not acting without an attorney, so that's irrelevant. So basically, what I'm asking for is judgment in the amount of $18,610.79. In essence, because the defendant has agreed that he owes the money.
Mr. Campbell, your response.
So good job, sovereign citizen. In your attempt to be confusing and do whatever sovereign citizens do, you agreed that you owed the money. So good job. Way to go. What is he going to say?
I disagree, and I'll stand on my brief.
And you stand on your pleadings. Okay.
Which was
All right, the court's prepared to move forward in this matter. This is a motion for summary disposition filed on behalf of plaintiff and notice for hearing today. Plaintiff's motion for summary disposition was filed on December 15th, 2022. Following that date, the court's register of action does not appear that any pleadings were filed by the defendant. Michigan Court Rule 2.116 G4 is relevant here. A motion under sub-rule C10 must specifically identify the issues as to which a moving party believes there is no genuine issue as to any material fact. When a motion under sub-rule C10 is made and supported as provided in this rule, an adverse party may not rest upon the mere allegations or denials of his pleadings, but must, by affidavits or otherwise provided in this rule, set forth specific facts showing that there's a genuine issue for trial. If the adverse party does not so respond, judgment, if appropriate, shall be entered against him or her. No response was filed to the plaintiff's motion for summary disposition. However, in his earlier pleading, which is really not relevant because they were not, again, filed in response here, the defendant admitted that he owed the money. So that's going to be it. Court finds there is no genuine issue of material fact. Plaintiff is entitled to summary disposition as prayed for under MCR 2.116C10. Mr. Campbell, you have an absolute right to appeal my decision. That appeal must be perfected in 21 days today in the Wayne County Circuit Court. Mr. Ricardo, do you have an order?
I do. I believe one was attached, Your Honor, to the.
I
Your Honor, should I submit another order? I was not aware that you had taken this case over for Judge Giles. Do you want me to submit an order with your name on it?
Actually, it really doesn't make a difference. It'll come to whoever issues the order.
Okay.
All right. Thank you both for coming in.
Thank you, Judge.
Be safe.
Yeah, and that was it. Like I said, he might be the worst sovereign citizen to ever sovereign citizen. I mean, at least say something. If you're going to be a sovereign citizen, entertain us. Throw some lingo out there. Not all he said was, "I disagree." Yeah, good job. Good job. Now you owe $18,000. All right. You guys are awesome. Thank you for watching. That's all I got. Thanks again, Lucy. All right. Until next time. Bye.
Gentlemen.
Have a nice day.
You too, sir.